Helicobacter pylori is a type of bacteria that attacks the digestive tract and stomach lining. The major symptoms of this infection are vomiting, bloating, belching, nausea, stomach ache, and gastritis. This chronic inflammation can impede the proper functioning of the digestive system and the gastrointestinal tract and thus cause long-term distress in the stomach. Infection with H. pylori is very common, especially in developing countries where it is estimated that more than 80% of adults and 10% of children have it. It is important to mention that having these germs thrive in your body increases the risk of stomach cancer sixfold. This is why it is pivotal to treat the infection as soon as possible and bring more good bacteria into your stomach. Conventional therapy usually consists of over-the-counter meds. However, they will not just destroy the bad bacteria, but can also have a negative effect on the bad ones. Natural remedies for H. pylori. Green tea. According to science, green tea consumed in moderation is able to slow down the growth of the infection. 1 cup of green tea per day is able to avert stomach inflammation and lower gastritis symptoms. Garlic. Garlic possesses antibiotic and anti-inflammatory characteristics, and you can eat it raw or cooked. One study showed that people who have H. pylori ate 2 medium-sized cloves of garlic with lunch and dinner meals had a higher reduction in the presence of the bacteria. Broccoli sprouts. Sulforaphane, a compound in this green veggie, is highly effective in treating H. pylori. Laboratory studies indicate that it can lower gastric inflammation and bacterial presence too. Manuka honey. This type of honey is abundant in antibacterial characteristics, and it has been long used for a variety of health issues. To remove H. pylori, consume a tablespoon of the honey in the morning prior to breakfast. You can also eat toast and Manuka honey with toast for breakfast. Cranberry juice. With certainty, this is one of the most beneficial natural cures for gastrointestinal and urinary tract problems because it has strong antibacterial properties. If you consume it regularly, it will help you impede the bad bacterial colonization in the stomach and encourage their elimination through the urine. Black seed. A study from 2010 showed that people who were suffering from H. pylori and consumed 2 grams of ground black seeds per day, in combination with omeprazole, experienced more improvement than the participants who received conventional therapy only. Probiotics. As you may already know, there are bad and good bacteria, and when it comes to the good ones, we need them for proper digestion and healthy gut. This being said, when the amount of bad bacteria is higher than that of good bacteria, the risk of inflammation and chronic health problems elevates. For example, H. pylori infection. This is where probiotic foods can be of aid and supply the gut with the necessary good bacteria. Beneficial diet changes for H. pylori sufferers. Eat more flaxseed and chia seeds because they are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids. Drink more kefir, which is abundant in probiotics. Make sure to add cruciferous veggies to your daily diet. Opt for wild-caught fish. Consume Manuka honey daily. Eat more berries. If you are suffering from this particular infection, make sure you avoid spicy and pickled foods, carbonated drinks, caffeine, and grains low in fiber.